Yes, you can build capital as you rise from employee to entrepreneur while keeping your full-time job. Imagine after 2 years or less, may access ka sa capital worth 100,000 pesos. At pwede mo lang itong gamitin para pumasok ng business venture by yourself or with another partner na graduate din sa Angat Ka PH. However, you're still working full-time. A year later, may capital ka na naman worth 1 million and may ibang venture ka naman na gustong pondohan. Or perhaps, gusto mo pa ring scale yung nauna mong business, then yun ang i-fund mo. All the while, ang ginagawa mo lang talaga ay nag-i-invest ka ng at least 2 to 3 hours weekly attending our gamified learning sessions in person at online, meetups with aspiring and practicing entrepreneurs, and gathering for field exposures on real businesses. We are simply building up all of our 5 non-financial forms of capital. Yes, there are 8 types of capital, 5 of them are non-financial, and only the 3 are considered financial capitals. What is Angat PH Learning Hub? Angat PH is a capital builder platform and learning community that propagates the culture of servant leadership and delayed gratification. So merong 3 elements ang ating definition. One is the capital builder platform. Second is the learning community. And third, which is the most important, is the culture propagation. Anong culture yan? It's the culture of servant leadership and delayed gratification. Angat PH is a platform for building financial capital by building non-financial capital within ourselves and in others. Why Angat PH exists? We exist to raise entrepreneur in every Filipino family to prosper the next generations. Sa paglaganap ng artificial intelligence right now sa workplace, nanganganib ang mga employees. And so by developing their entrepreneurial character, we equip them to become victorious than losers in this rising age of AI. So how will you benefit dito sa Angat Ka PH? You can build cycles of financial capital by helping Angat Ka PH teach others how to build their non-financial capital. You can build cycles of financial capital by helping Angat Ka PH teach others how to build their non-financial capital. So how much capital can you build up? You can build up 100,000 pesos on your first cycle and on your next cycle around 1 million. Then after that, 10 million. And the ultimate one is up to 100 million. Exciting, di ba? So if you have these cycles of capital, I'm sure matututo ka talagang maging entrepreneur at investor. Capital Builder Program is a graduate exclusive privilege and that you use this capital to build or buy business or investment assets that will give you passive income. Now, if you misuse the capital and did not buy assets, then you forfeit this privilege. Now, let me show you the capital build-up journey. How will you start from where you are right now until you gain the cycles of capital for you? First is the membership learning fee, or we call it the MLF. It is your payment of 19,996 tuition fee and community membership because we have courses that are exclusive to help you understand capital, entrepreneurship, and investing. Second, we have the learning fee payback. Bilang pagtuturo ng return on investment, ibabalik sa iyo ang tuition fee mo na 19,996 as soon as you enroll 12 other co-learners within a year's time. Then after that is the servant leadership cultivation. Remember the culture that we want to propagate? This is the beginning. SLC is your first cycle of capital of at least 100,000 by serving your 12 co-learners to achieve their learning fee payback or yung ating LFP. So we are to become a leader in order to serve other co-learners. Then after that, you have the delayed gratification cultivation or DGC. DGC is your next milestone capital of at least 1 million pesos by leading your 12 co-learners to achieve the SLC, the Servant Leadership Cultivation. Then we have the Building Lasting Capital. It is your next milestone capital of at least 10 million by helping coach your 12 co-learners to achieve the delayed gratification cultivation of 1 million or more. And finally, the Samaritan Entrepreneur Mentor. SEM is your ultimate capital milestone of 100 million and above by mentoring your 12 co-learners to achieve the building lasting capital milestones. So itong ating capital build-up journey is meant for you to grow little by little by helping other people. We are propagating the culture of servant leadership in delayed gratification, in entrepreneurship, and in investing. To learn more about this, meron tayong adventure call where we detailed how this thing is going to happen. So, if you're interested to explore Angat Ka PH as your capital builder platform, these are the steps you can take. One is you can join our FB group for free. Look for our FB page sa Angat Ka PH and hanapin ninyo yung Employee to Entrepreneur Pioneering Community. You can also sign up for free sa ating website sa angatka.ph and you can see kung ano yung mga courses that we are offering right now. As we go in the future, there will be more and more courses and learning opportunities that you can benefit from. You can also start with our Ikaw ang Yaman Abundance Foundation course. May kasama itong 34 ebooks that are pre-curated for aspiring entrepreneurs. Ikaw ang Yaman is only 299 pesos. And finally, you can start with our membership learning fee of 19,996 and you can avail of our Capital Builder program. We are looking for leaders just like you who have the faith and the courage to not just make an impact for yourself, but also for other people. So join us and contact the person who gave you this information.